Holy crapalito. Look at that crap coming down. I'd go outside, but it's hailing too hard. It's even on the porch. See that white spot right there? That's hail. Where it's, oh my god, look at that. Wonder if I should go to the basement. Haven't gotten any warnings on it. It's really dark over here to the side. But I'm not going outside. Oh my god. Look how hard it's raining. I've even got water puddling up over here. Holy shiitake mushrooms. You see the wind blowing? Look at all that hail. I mean, I've seen worse hail. I mean, I've stepped in hail that was up to almost my knees. It hailed so bad. Whoa! Crap! Yes, I'm hiding in the house. I haven't had any warnings come up on my phone. It's letting up a little bit, but that's not always a good thing. Oh, I can hear the hail hitting the house. Usually can't hear it hit the house. Y'all see it coming off the roof? And the wind blowing? Look at it. OMG. Oh, it's getting quiet. Look at all that hail on the porch. Usually doesn't get on the porch. This house is pretty tight. You usually don't hear it hailing. You don't hear it raining. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that water puddling up. See all that hail over there? Okay, I'm going to stop it. Bye, y'all.